Understanding the phrase, roasting pan. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used kitchen phrase, roasting pan. This phrase might sound straightforward, but it's packed with cultural and culinary nuances that are fascinating to learn. Let's dive in. A roasting pan is a piece of cookware used in the kitchen. It's typically a large, deep pan, often rectangular, with high sides. These pans are designed for roasting meat and vegetables in an oven. They can be made from various materials like stainless steel, cast iron, or aluminum. Understanding this kitchen tool is essential for both cooking enthusiasts and those learning English, as it's often mentioned in recipes and cooking shows. Roasting pans are not just about their physical characteristics, they play a crucial role in the cooking process. They're used to cook food evenly, allowing heat to circulate around the meat or vegetables. The depth of the pan is crucial as it contains the juices and fats that drip from the food, preventing them from spreading in the oven and ensuring the food remains moist and flavorful. Understanding the term, roasting pan, also involves appreciating its cultural context. In many cultures, particularly in Western countries, roasting is a traditional cooking method for festive and family gatherings. Think of occasions like Thanksgiving or Christmas, where a turkey or a joint of meat is often roasted. This cultural association adds depth to the phrase beyond its literal meaning. In English, we often encounter phrases like, preheat your roasting pan, or place the vegetables in the roasting pan. These phrases indicate the pan's usage in culinary contexts. It's also common to hear variations like roaster or roasting dish, depending on regional dialects. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, roasting pan, and its significance in both the English language and culinary world. Remember, language learning is not just about words but also about the culture and context they represent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.